In the ever-evolving landscape of electric vehicles, a fierce competition has emerged among the elite electric pickup trucks: Tesla's Cybertruck, the Hummer EV, and the Rivian R1T. As consumers ponder over the future of electric pickups and their potential to replace the traditional gasoline-powered counterparts, the Tesla Cybertruck has burst onto the scene with its space-age-inspired design and groundbreaking technologies. This radical contender faces tough competition from the formidable Hummer EV and the technologically advanced Rivian R1T, both vying for the crown in this elite category. The Tesla Cybertruck, with its futuristic triangular-shaped body, stands out as a pyramid on chunky all-terrain tires, a spaceship on wheels. Its stainless steel alloy surfaces, devoid of curves, not only contribute to its unique design, but also eliminate the need for paint, providing corrosion resistance and even bulletproof properties. It's a visual spectacle, reminiscent of a vehicle ready to tackle a zombie apocalypse. On the contrary, the Hummer EV boasts a butch design, featuring signature elements from the original Hummer H1 SUV. The boxy aesthetics and H-shaped headlights exude a road presence that's hard to ignore. Practicality is not compromised, with removable roof panels and ample front storage space. While lacking bulletproof features, the Hummer EV offers serious off-roading capabilities straight from the factory. The Rivian R1T takes a more conventional approach, resembling pickup trucks from established brands like Ford and Chevrolet. Despite a unique front fascia, it combines a large flatbed with a substantial frunk for storage. The innovative gear tunnel under the rear seats adds to its practicality. Inside the Cybertruck, Tesla's minimalist approach prevails, disrupted only by a massive 18.5-inch touchscreen infotainment display housing core functions. The drive selector switch on the roof and a motorized load bed cover for the rear pickup bed are notable features. Rear passengers enjoy a separate 9.4-inch infotainment display. Hummer EV's interior takes a bold and chunky stance, reflecting the SUV's tough nature. A 13.4-inch infotainment display powered by Epic Games' Unreal Engine complements the driver's instrument cluster. In contrast, the Rivian R1T offers a tastefully designed interior with elite wood paneling, plush seats, and a panoramic glass sunroof. A 15-inch touchscreen display controls navigation, climate, and comfort functions, providing a welcoming and well-appointed interior. In early performance tests, the Tesla Cybertruck, especially in its Cyberbeast trim, takes the lead with a triple-motor configuration producing 845 HP. Boasting a 0-100 kph acceleration time of 2.6 seconds, it claims the title of the quickest accelerating pickup truck. With a towing capacity of 11,000 pounds and a top speed of 180 kph, the Cybertruck's performance prowess is demonstrated in impressive feats like towing a Porsche 911 while racing another. The Rivian R1T closely follows with a 0-100 kph time of 3.0 seconds in the top-spec quad-motor configuration, delivering 835 GP. While slightly behind in outright performance, the R1T excels in off-road capabilities, wading through water, rock crawling, and offering adjustable suspension with substantial ground clearance. The Rivian R1T impresses as a fast and luxurious pickup, emphasizing practicality. With a conventional design, it excels in storage space and achieves the highest range per charge figures. The Hummer EV, although not clinching the top spot, showcases toughness and innovation, particularly with the crab walk feature and off-road capabilities. Choosing among these electric pickup trucks requires considering factors such as range, horsepower, off-road capabilities, practicality, and price. Each contender brings a unique set of features to the table, catering to individual needs and preferences. As the era of electric pickups unfolds, consumers have the privilege of choosing a vehicle that aligns with their vision of the future. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the future of mobility.